The best comparison, again, is against yourself. So making sure you're surveying annually or biannually so then you can track trends and see if you're moving the needle with your initiatives. Another way you can do it is through demographic breakouts. So a lot of engagement surveys will have that capability. So you can compare your scores between your departments or between your locations or between tenures. You just want to make sure you choose categories where you expect to see the employee experience to be different. And then you can see, for example, if you have one department that's relatively higher than another department, you can go in and see what are the differences between these departments? How can we bridge that gap? And so that's a great way to use demographic breakouts. Additionally, speaking to ERC, we have a normative database, which is the scores of all of the organizations we work with, and you can compare your scores against that. And we also have a unique data set that's our top performer data set. And this is top performer perceptions from award winning companies. So it's really aspiring scores to get to, but this is a great data set to compare yourself against because if you're right around that number that top performers are at, then you're doing a lot of great things. And so this is another data set that we have.